Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wished you could play Clash Royale on a bigger screen with more precise controls? Well, you absolutely can. Playing on your PC offers a completely new experience, letting you see every detail of the arena and giving you an edge with improved aiming. It's also super convenient for multitasking, so you can keep an eye on your stream or chat while battling. The secret to playing Clash Royale on your computer lies with Android emulators. Think of them as virtual phones running right on your desktop. They create a perfect environment for mobile apps, making your PC believe it's an Android device. BlueStacks and Nox Player are two very popular and reliable options you can easily download and use. Setting it up is surprisingly straightforward. Just head over to the official website of your chosen emulator like BlueStacks and download the installer. Once downloaded, simply follow the clear instructions to get it installed on your system. After that, open the emulator, log in with your standard Google account, and then search for Clash Royale in the built-in Play Store. It's that easy to start your journey. For the best experience, you'll want to optimize your emulator settings. Check the Performance tab to fine-tune graphics and overall speed, ensuring your game runs smoothly. Crucially, customize your key mappings. Assign specific cards and actions to keyboard keys or mouse clicks for quick, precise deployment. This allows for faster reactions and can even let you set up advanced macro combinations, giving you a real advantage in the arena. Remember to always download your emulator from its official source to avoid any security risks and ensure you get the latest features. Keeping both your emulator and Clash Royale updated is also crucial for smooth gameplay and compatibility as the game evolves. With these simple steps, you are now ready to dominate the Clash Royale arena like never before, enjoying all the benefits of playing on your PC. Go have some fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.